Okay, let's go.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. I hope you're well. As you may know, I've rebranded my channel and I'm trying to make more videos with cars, which I love, and I'm trying to rearrange my garage, which is a proper mess, and I've been using it in the last 5-6 years just for my motorcycle, but planning to have a project car uh, makes me clean all this mess, force me to clean all this mess, because I'll use the garage as the main unit where to keep the car and work on it. I don't know what car. I didn't plan anything yet. I'll try to do it in the next few weeks, hopefully. My BMW is still on the driveway, and this is one of the issues. If the car will go, then I'll have enough space to buy a new project. So I took you now on my journey on cleaning this mess, and hopefully you're going to enjoy it. Hopefully it'll look better at the end. It'll look like a proper garage. Now it looks like a storage area. So let's crack on. And it's done. Not 100%. I still have loads to do, but the majority of the works are done. Everything's in place. I have enough space to park a car, as you might see. I've arranged all the tools and all the bits that I'm using. I have all my motorcycle gear rearranged. I parked my motorcycle close to the wall, but in case if I'll bring a car, I'll move the motorcycle first out, and then I'll put the bike in front of the car. Hopefully it's enough space to park a car. I reckon it'll fit. The major issue, I wish to have a ramp or something like that, but at the moment I don't. So hopefully in near future I'll have one, or a bigger garage. That'll be amazing. But as it stands for now, it's all I need and all I've been dreaming for. This is it. Now, if you have an idea what kind of car to buy, help me. Let me know, and I'll keep knowledge on all the messages that you're gonna send me. I didn't make up my mind. I didn't look for another car. I'm planning to start doing it, but not now. as I need to get rid of my BMW. I still have few bits to work on my wife's car, and we're planning a trip. I'll film a trip too around Europe. So I have few video ideas, but if you have any ideas and if you want to see something, let me know and I'll try to make it happen. For myself, it's a pleasure to work on cars, so whatever ideas you're going to give me, I'll try to replicate. I'm not a magician. I'm a self-made mechanic. I finished school as a mechanic, so I have some knowledge, but I'm not 100% mechanic. So I'm a DIYer. I love cars. I love motorcycles, and this is what I've literally wished for, and I've been dreaming for throughout my life. And I don't think 50 it's a bad age. I think it's perfect. So I'll squeeze. Again, I have a normal job, so this will be like a second, like a hobby. I'll try to make as many videos as I can, but in the meantime, I have a family and I have a job that I need to take care of. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Any thumbs ups or comments, there'll be more than I'll be more than happy to receive them, and it'll help my channel to grow a bit, which now is quite small. But yes, again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.